Good morning, traders, and welcome to Daily Call today, Friday, the 29th of September. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened overnight, and we'll start off in the US. GDP came in at 3.1% and unemployment at 272,000. Pretty close to the forecasts. US dollar had a down day yesterday though. Mainly it was due to investors not quite convinced on further rate hikes later this year or the tax cuts that are being proposed at the moment by the Trump presidency. So there you go. In Japan, we had Mr. Kuruda state that he sees the current economic expansion as highly sustainable, but it was the Prime Minister, Mr. Abe, who stole the headlines yesterday as he dissolved the lower house of Parliament and called for a snap election. JPY dropped yesterday, and currently the US yen trading at around about 112.30. In England, we had Mr. Carney state that the Bank of England has limited power to prevent the painful economic adjustments that will come as a result of Brexit. Cable had a positive day yesterday, but that was largely due to the US dollar weakness. There you have it, what's happened overnight. Time to have a look at our chart of the day, the chart that I found for us today. It's an extension from yesterday's chart. It's the US yen. The channel is now confirmed. We have produced an inside candle, and essentially this would be what we call an aggressive trade because it's the first opportunity. That second touch at the top, we got one touch, and two, if this continues to go further, well then it turns out that really was not a touch. But there is price action there, so if we break on the downside, we are justified to attempt to go down on that one. There you go. Chart of the day, US yen on a daily time scale. Okay, let's have a look at what's happening in the session that is about to unfold for us. We have at 6:30 this evening from the UK current account numbers. 10:30 from Canada, GDP numbers, and finally at midnight, Mr. Carney will be speaking again. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you on Tuesday. Don't forget, it's a long weekend over here in Sydney, so I will talk to you all on Tuesday. Bye for now.